PHA Yuva, PHA Yuva, PHA Yuva, PHA Yuva. Let's our world of PHA. You are welcome home for people.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for declaring the event open. May we please have another round of applause for Ms. Jayashree.
And now, I would like to invite on stage our guest of honor, Mr. Bhavya Kaura, the General Manager of Fortune Park JP Celestial, Bengaluru. May we please have a round of applause?
Mr. Bhavya Kaura, General Manager, Fortune Park JP Celestial. Mr. Bhavya Kaura, having 16 years of experience in hospitality industry, done his BHM from Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration, Manipal, WGSHA. Have worked in brands like Marriott, Starwood, Radisson Hotels, Sarovar Hotels and ITC Hotels. Have extensive financial and operational management skills, known for being a result-oriented leader, flexible to mold himself as per changing dynamics of industry. He has consistently displayed an incisive business sense along with fostering an environment of innovative thinking for driving revenues and operational excellence in all his assignments. With an outstanding reputation in establishing personal connections with the guests and associates alike, his approach to work has always been commendable. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Bhavya Kaura, General Manager, Fortune Park JP Celestial, at 5th Young Visionary Housekeepers National Convention and 7th Anniversary of PHA Yuva.
Thank you, everyone. Namaskara. That's how we start our greeting over here in ITC and Fortune of Hotels, coming from southern part of India. Okay, so thank you, ma'am. I'm privileged to be part of this association and this morning. So big two takeaways for me from ma'am's speech is, number one, do not take much of time, we are behind schedule. So I will keep myself restricted to 10 minutes. And second, do not even think of moving up from here. I'll keep that in mind as well. Okay, before I move ahead, ma'am, just want to congratulate you on the work what you're doing within the fraternity. The moment I met ma'am for the first time, she's full of energy, and at this age, she have health problems as well. And still the way she's caring and full of energy, it's wonderful what you're doing, ma'am, and the vision you have, what you come up with, the PHA Yuva Association is commendable. You know, the seniors in the fraternity, people like you, inspire us to do something different. So, thank you so much. It's a big motivation for us. Okay, without taking much of the time, I have been asked to share my views on evolving landscape of housekeeping in connection with technology and artificial intelligence in growth and development of housekeeping. Okay, so my view personally, till the time we do not let it overpower us, it's always to the benefit of us. It's same like social media. It's same like money. There are times that we work for money. There are times now that money is working for us. Social media was always introduced to, for our benefit. Now we are dependent on social media. So is technology and artificial intelligence. Till the time we are using it to the benefit of us, it's good, but it should not come the time when artificial intelligence is overpowering us. That's the big scare what probably IT technicians and all those things they had. Hoteliers, how much we do need to worry? I don't think so. Because whatever we do, yes, there are benefits, but to an extent of 25% what artificial intelligence can take or play a role in terms of handling day-to-day operations, right? There are ways, but there are challenges as well. So, okay, just so that I can connect, the students are here from which year? Okay, so you have all been part of OGTs, you have all been doing on-job trainings, right? Okay, so in housekeeping, what are your jobs do you do? What are things you do? Anyone? Can someone pass on the mic? I need one volunteer, yeah. Yeah, please raise your hand. Guys, what all jobs you do in housekeeping?
Room cleaning?
Perfect, great. Can room cleaning be done by artificial intelligence? Yes, there are robots which are already working on room cleaning part, right? But can robo detect the smell in the room? No, right? Okay, what else? Room cleaning is one part of it. What is the second part? What else the housekeepers do?
Bed making.
Sorry?
Bed making.
Perfect. Okay, bed making. What else?
Flower arrangements.
Great. What else? Okay, so I'll come to the big picture directly. There is everything what artificial intelligence can do in day-to-day life. Some which has already been followed in the process in the hotels of big structure within India, outside India. There are some which is already people are working on it, right? But they have their own pros and cons. Talking about benefits of artificial intelligence, if I talk about, you can start your day on a big, busy 250 rooms hotel, 100 arrivals for the day. Room blocking, you need a separate room coordinator. In our times, what we remember, when we started our job in 2008, there used to be a room coordinator for blocking rooms as per guest preferences, right? In today's time, it's just a one click of button. Do you know that? Why? Your reservations are with the guest preferences. Your reservations, expected arrivals for the day are with the due scheduled arrival time. Room category blocks are as per the view and the preferences are already been there. And trust me, it's just one click of a button when I can do a room blocking. Until unless the information fed is right. Right? So it's linked. My 1 hour or 2 hour job or a human resource of a room coordinator in a good 5-star hotel would fall me around somewhere around 40 to 50,000. That job is saved just by one click of a button. So there are benefits of AI. Anyone can come up with benefits of artificial intelligence or technology?
Hello. Time saving.
Perfect, great, time saving. What else?
Accuracy.
Okay, great. What else?
Efficiency.
Wow, you guys know it all. Tell me more.
Reducing physical strains.
Perfect, great. What else? Somewhere from this side behind. This side is, I can't see anyone responding over here. Come on, guys.
Improving guest satisfaction.
Yes. Any more hands? Any more? Great. Right, so we've covered almost all. Disadvantages. Yes, ma'am. Over here. Can you have the mic?
One thing is there are certain things that human cannot do.
That's correct, ma'am. That's what I was coming to. So that's my next question is, what are disadvantages or cons for artificial intelligence? Great. The personalized service, which is missing by artificial intelligence. Yes, sir.
Connect emotionally to the guest and giving that personalized service to the guest.
Perfect. Yes. Absolutely. What else? Sorry? You need to raise your hand and your mic will come to you.
Lack of emotions.
Yes, lack of emotions. Sorry? Yes. So we know it, right? We know the basics of it. And trust me, we meet these corporates. The key to success is keeping your guest on daily basis for any general manager's daily routine is. Because you need to understand the change in the trend, and trust me, change in the trend keeps on changing year on year. But this is one thing which is very constant, what I've been understanding with the guests is the personalized service, which robots, artificial intelligence can never, ever can take place of. So rest be assured, being hotelier, colleges, doing college, your jobs are secure. Hotels are still a very successful place to be. Only thing, given a scenario, you guys should have a passion for it, right? So go for it. Just an example of an artificial intelligence. What we do is technology has, there are system-generated FAQs. It's there so that to save jobs, people do mobile chats by default messages, and frequently asked questions. There are robotic messages, system-generated messages, what it goes through. So a very good example I would like to quote, and I would like to see it so that I do not miss any part of it. Okay. This is on LinkedIn. This is very live, and this is just very recent. Yesterday, I was just surfing through my LinkedIn networking. Not that I was looking for a job change, guys. Come on. At your age, you guys must be using social media for your time pass in Instagram and all those things. For at our age, at this time, we use LinkedIn as our networking, TEDx and motivational, and to gain some knowledge. So, someone has tweeted, I won't like to quote the name of it. This is a guest of an Indigo flight who, okay, I will read the quote. Thank you for sending my baggage to Hyderabad and flying me to Calcutta at the same time. Brilliant service. Die Indigo hashtag. Now, okay. So basic human, this is an appreciation or a complaint? Sorry? That's sarcasm, right? This is an artificial intelligence from Indigo. What are they replying? Dear, whatever the hashtag is, glad to hear that. Keep flying, Indigo. That's artificial intelligence for you guys, and that's my time. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, sir, for gracing our event with your presence, and I really like the part about the passion for hospitality. May we now request Ms. Jayashree Nagaraj to please felicitate Mr. Bhavya Kaura.
PHA Yuva PHA Yuva PHA Yuva PHA Yuva It's our world of PHA Yuva welcome home for people Yuva your time here is grateful here Yuva you'll feel great to be here Yuva na 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 we treat you with smile your state moves on in style we do it with pride